Hey, it's me. It's your guy Kane. As you can see from my very disheveled hair and the darkness around me, it's quite late at night. It's now 11:50, and it's been a big day. This was the promised declining sanity stage beginning now. So. But all good things. It's been a very busy day. It's been a very full-on day, but a lot got done. I wish I had more time. Why the hell did I commit to doing a video every day? It takes so long to make even a really crummy video, but I committed to it, so here I am. Hopefully the shortest and worst of these videos I'll produce, but yeah, lots has been done today. Just to quickly recap, again, I wish I had the time to do this with some more like animations or visuals or anything more than me just like looking into a camera and talking. But the big things that got done today is did a review of all of the art assets that are being produced with working with an Australian group here called Smash Button Games to do our art production. We used them before in a previous project and they're just friggin' amazing. Can't recommend them enough. So just going through that process, and what that looks like is basically as they produce the art assets, they'll give us models and textures and stuff like that we then download, we convert them into the specific format for our engine. In our case, we use GLTF with a PBR rendering model, so metallic roughness stuff. And we import them into the engine and we just make sure that they're okay. And it's kind of like the first integration test of the asset pipeline. And that's really important. You want to do that as early and often as possible to try and make sure that you can minimize the gap between what the artist produces and what ends up in the game. Like, the last thing you want is for an artist to be looking at one thing on their screen and then in the game it looks completely different. Like, that's no good. No one wants that. And then just making sure that like the quality and the style is consistent. When we produced, I produced like a big spreadsheet of like, here's all the assets that need to go in the game, provided like reference imagery for them, like the dimensions, they should be this big, do they need to be held, do they need to be animated, all that sort of stuff. And just making sure like all those things are checked off and okay is a really important thing. So did that today. That was pretty time consuming. There's quite a lot of assets to go through, and a bit of back and forth with the art people on that, getting all that done. Next big thing was if you can see the extra computer set behind me, a really good friend of mine, Alex, has been working on implementing pathfinding in the game. So at the moment, when you set the destination of a Viking, to say walk in some specific direction, they can walk through objects. They can, they ignore other objects in a game. So what we wanted to do was have them navigate around those things and, not be able to just walk through walls. And so that works now, which is great. I'm so impressed with the work that Alex has done. Did a lot of that today. Just integrating that, getting it into the game, making sure that we were looking at some edge cases. For example, if you're telling a Viking to walk to a building, technically what you're trying to do is get the Viking to walk inside of another object, which is impossible. So like, whereabouts should we walk to if we've asked you to walk to a building? Stuff like that, just like little edge cases, and getting that all integrated has been good. More task list stuff. So really just what I'm trying to do at the moment is like define the scope for the demo. Like, so we've got 30 days left, and like, so what are the things that we can get into the game to show the game off as best as possible in 30 days? So just making sure that we have enough, but what that is reasonable, all that kind of thing. So a very busy day, a very long day. And in case it hasn't showed, I'm very tired, but just wanted to get this video out. If you made it this far and you're still watching, thank you very much. And hopefully tomorrow can have a bit more time to present something that's a little bit more entertaining. But as I said from the start, what I want to do is show you the real experience of what this development stuff is like. So here it is. Anyway, hope you're well, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.